Hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share a project with you all. This is my handbag project. I'm giving you a sneaky peeky of it because I'm not done. I'm not done. I still have to put some handles and some straps on here, but I was at a good stopping point and I wanted to share with you all this gorgeous handbag. And it's fantastic. I know you're all going to love it. So I'm sharing it with you all because I want you to see the shape. I want you to see all of the beauty of it. And I took pictures of it, and you can't quite capture all of this total fabulosity in an image. So I came here to show you a quick little video so you can check it out. So the inside is just as beautiful as the outside. The inside is going to hold, of course, a mini album. So I want to show you how perfectly finished this was on the inside. So when I tell you guys that I'm making projects and I always say it's paper phenomenon style, it's because of this. It's because of the finishes, guys, on these projects. It's just not a handbag. It's not just that. It is beautifully, beautifully constructed for you all, and you can make it. All right. I can't stress enough how you will be able to make this. I have tutorials and videos step by step on how to make this. Now, the beauty about this handbag is I just did a series with you all on, let's see, the matting series, and that mini album fits into the handbag. All right, guys. So I made sure that that mini album size will fit into the handbag, and other mini album size and other of my albums are in this particular size that will also fit into the handbag. All right. This one in particular is called Lola. All right. In this particular uh, project series, there will be three handbags, and I will share them with you all here. Three completely different styles, and there will be this is a kit club of mine. So what I'm doing is the mini albums will be a bonus project. So there will be a mini album specific to this handbag, but it will be a bonus project for those of you in my kit club. And if you're not in my kit club, all you have to do is get the digital kit club, and you will be able to get all of the files, all of the tutorials, all of the videos for this. And I'll link you all down below. The point of this video here is to show you, for those of you who are in my kit club, and for those of you who are not and thinking about it, how absolutely gorgeous this is. So you see these two little straps here. This is where your closure will go. It's going to be another strap that goes all the way around that will close it. These pockets are functional. You will be able to get items in there. I've got these really cute cards in here that come in the kit that everyone in my kit club gets. But if you're not in my kit club, you can make the project and use whatever papers you want. All right, CHA just has come and gone, and there's some really amazing papers out there that you will absolutely love to finish your handbag with. Look at the bottom. Again, everything beautifully, beautifully finished and beautifully done for you all. So there it is, guys. This is the Lola handbag. Look out for the other two handbags that are coming. Uh, they're coming. All right, this one is a January one. There will be a February and a March handbag. So I hope you love it. And when I'm done with the mini album, I will come back and share a final review. But you can see what a nice size mini album you can get into these handbags. And they will all accommodate an album roughly around this size. And as a bonus, I'm giving you all a mini album specific to these handbags. So I hope you love it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Let me know what you think about the handbag and the construction and all that fun stuff. I love to read your comments, and I appreciate so much you guys taking the time to give me a thumbs up. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and let me just say a quick hello to you all. I will switch that camera so you can see me. Give me a second. Hi guys. So let me know what you think about the handbag. I would love to know. Bye bye.